How to find Recycle Bin on Android. This tutorial shows you how to locate and access deleted files in the Recycle Bin on your Android device. First, open the Files or My Files application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the main file manager where you can browse your storage. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. Now, scroll down through the menu options to find Recycle Bin or Trash. Moving forward, tap on Recycle Bin to view all your recently deleted files. Afterwards, you'll see a list of files and folders that have been deleted within the last 30 days. In addition to that, you can browse through images, videos, documents, and other file types. Once you've found a file you want to restore, tap and hold on it to select it. Subsequently, tap on the Restore button at the bottom of the screen. Moreover, the file will be moved back to its original location on your device. Afterwards, if you want to permanently delete files, tap and hold on the file again. Then, tap on Delete Permanently or the trash icon to remove it forever. Within this section, you can also tap on Empty Recycle Bin to clear all deleted files at once. Alternatively, files in the Recycle Bin are automatically deleted after 30 days. Once you've restored or managed your files, you can exit the Recycle Bin. Then, your restored files will be back in their original folders and accessible again. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you find the Recycle Bin on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.